This is Tanveer Bukhari from sapproperty.com and dhakarachi.net. We are moving on Beach Avenue in front of Emaar, Phase 8, DHA Karachi, Pakistan. As we are going forward, you can see we will be approaching towards the desalination plant. Then we'll see the restaurant area. These days DHA have shown a very remarkable performance in trading activity, and people have made money in investing in the DHA. The prices of every plot in DHA Phase 8 is almost double in 6 months. The area which you are watching is the area in front of desalination plant. That is Coastal Streets, and in front of us is the restaurant named Creek Inn on Beach Avenue. This area is just opposite to the Beach Street, where recently the development of infrastructure is almost completed, and this area is just in front of that Beach Streets. As of today we speak, the prices of 1000 square yard plot in Beach Street, 120 feet wide front, is almost 2 crore. 500 yard square yard plot front, 60 feet wide front, price is almost 125. And you are watching different kind of restaurants: Ambala, Cornish, Afridi Inn, Charcoal Grill, and every day you can see in these restaurants are all restaurants of the evening. You can see a lot of rush in this area. Here we have Afridi Inn, Olive, Noorani Kebab House. As we move forward, we see other restaurants, and in front of us now you can see the unfinished business of Creek Marina. They are struggling to complete it. If you want to buy a plot in DHA Phase 8, Phase 6, Phase 5 or any other phase, or you want to sell it, Phase 7 extension, you can call me at 0321 266 5554 or 0321 293 9005, or you can also call on landline number 35889481, 35889482, or you can email me at info@dhakarachi.net. From here you can see once again the same road, Beach Avenue, and I will try to show you the development of Beach Streets Zone C. The tower which you can see, just this is Beach Streets. You can see the amount of work completed. Beach Streets, the date of completion has already passed, and now the work is at its finishing stage. You can see car moving on Khayabane Bilal. Beach seats have entrance from Beach Avenue, not from Khayabane Bilal. Now we are moving in Zone D, Khayabane Babar, and in front of us we can see Creek Vista apartment. This is just for benchmark, and this is 36th Street. On our right, we can see the development is taking place between Beach Avenue and 36th Street, and after area above 36th Street, there is no development going on. That zone is Zone E. The minimum price of 2000 square yard plot in phase 8 is now 360 or 3.7 crores, and it has already doubled in only 4 months. 4 months back it was selling around 1 crore 80 lakhs. This is quite unusual. You see development taking place and prices just go double, and people have made, investors, brokers have made hell lot of money in this area, and but now the prices are stopped moving upwards, and a correction is being expected in this area. It depends how it goes in coming days, but everybody is feeling that correction is due over here, because people are very reluctant to buy these plots in almost double the price in 4 months. The price of 1000 square yard plot in these area phase 8 is 1 crore 70 lakh, and it depends whether how it goes, how the trading session goes in the coming days. We are now moving on Khayabane Tipu Sultan, Beach Avenue, Tipu Sultan, and 36th Street. So this is the situation over there in Zone D these days. The filling is taking place, landfill of roads is taking place, and it will continue, I think, till next year. Once again we are on 36th Street. On far end you can see the office of abandoned Emaar project. The prices in phase 8 of D cutting is around going around 145 to 135, which is Zone B. The prices of 100 square yard staff plot is around 53, 54. The price of 120 square yard plot is around 65, and the price of 75, and the price of 150 square yard plot is 75 to 80 lakhs. The overall situation now these days is a little slow in phase 8 as we speak, and now people are turning their investment towards the developed areas, and especially the brokers and punters of the market who work on only on token are very much worried because those investors and brokers who work on just advance or token money, they are caught up in this situation and they are finding new investors to sell their plots in even lower prices. And there is another kind of investors and brokers who are waiting to get panic sellers cheap deal. In front of us we are watching now Sahil phase 8 extension. I think this is we are moving in front of Sahil commercial. Over here in Sahil commercial the prices have also increased significantly, and average price of 500 square yard residential Sahil plot is above 80 lakhs and 300 square yard is around above 70 lakhs, and average price of 100 square yard Sahil plot commercial plot is around 75 to 80 lakhs, and maximum is 120 corner plot. After all this trading activities coming to a slow position, once again our people are or investors are moving towards the commercial areas of phase 6, because every other plot, the residential plots of phase 6, 5 and residential plot of phase 8, all these plots have almost doubled. Especially in phase 8 it is doubled, but in phase 6 there is still room, but there is a lot of potential in upward direction in commercial plots of phase 6, especially Rahat commercial, Ittihad commercial, Bukhari commercial, Muslim commercial, Nishat commercial. All these commercials have started to improve their prices upwards, and in front of us is, you can see, Muslim commercial area on Beach Avenue, Khaiban Ittihad. Many banks are interested to buy a plot on main Khaiban Ittihad in Muslim commercial. Recently new banks have come in Muslim commercial Khaiban Ittihad, and this is Khaiban Muslim where Universe Cineplex is situated. The